In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoDaddy account quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and get you set up with an account on GoDaddy, an essential step for those looking to register a domain or host a website. First, head over to GoDaddy.com using your preferred web browser. This is GoDaddy's main page, and from here we'll navigate to create your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Create an Account. If you already have an account, you might be tempted to log in right now, but since we're setting up a new one, let's stick to creating a fresh account. Next, you'll notice a few options for signing up, including various social accounts. However, in this tutorial, we're going to click on Continue with Email for a straightforward process. This is an excellent choice if you prefer keeping your GoDaddy login separate from other platforms, ensuring an extra layer of security by not linking it to your social accounts. Now, you'll need to fill out some essential information. Go ahead and input your email address and choose a username that you'll use for your GoDaddy account. Make sure your username is something unique and memorable for easy access later on. Once that's filled out, it's time to create a password. Choose a strong password that incorporates a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account stays secure. As you proceed, you'll be given an option to sign up for test updates. This is entirely up to you, but remember that opting in might provide you with valuable insights and updates from GoDaddy. If you're interested in staying informed, go ahead and tick that box, but if not, you can skip it. Now, click on the Create Account button to progress to the next step. You should receive a prompt to verify your email address. Go ahead and click on Send Verification Code and then head to your email inbox for the next step. Check your email for a message from GoDaddy containing a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code back on the GoDaddy page and click Verify Code. This step is crucial as it confirms your email, ensuring you have access to all GoDaddy's features and support. Once your code is verified, that's it. You've successfully created a GoDaddy account. You can now start exploring GoDaddy services, whether you want to purchase a domain, set up a website, or access various hosting options. Thanks for following along, and happy building on GoDaddy.